Hi guys. Welcome back to my channel. I'm teacher Michael. You're helping Maestro. What will you learn in this video? After installing Windows Server 2008 R2 operating system, all necessary drivers and application. You need to configure the following. Change or configure date and time. Configure date and time after installing Windows Server 2008 is important because it uses the date and time to organize backups. In this video tutorial we will set the time zone to 8 o'clock. Assign or configure static internet protocol. We will use static IP address because static IP address are more stable and never change. Static IP address are simpler to assign and maintain. Computers that allow remote access on a closed network use static IP address. In this video we will use IP address 192.168.0.1, subnet mask 255.255.255.0, default gateway 192.168.0.1, preferred DNS server 192.168.0.1. Enable remote desktop services. Change computer name. If you're new here, now's a great time to subscribe. Log in to Windows Server using administrative password. Wait until initial configuration task form appear. You can minimize or close configuration task form. To change date and time, right-click date and time shown in the taskbar and click Change Date and Time Settings. In the Date and Time form, click Change Date and Time. Click the combo box and change the date to 8 o'clock. Click OK. To configure or assign static IP address, click Network icon at the bottom right corner of the desktop, then click Open Network and Sharing Center. Click Local Area Connection. Properties. Double-click Internet Protocol version 4. Check use the following IP address. Assign 192.168.0.1 for the IP address. Subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. Default gateway is 192.168.0.1. Preferred DNS server is 192.168.0.1. Click OK. Click Close. To enable remote desktop services, go to Windows Start. Right-click Computer and click Properties. In the system form appear, Click Change Settings. Click Remote tab at top corner of System Properties form. Check or click Allow connections from computers running any version of Remote Desktop. Click OK. To change computer name, at System Properties form, click Computer Name tab. Click Change. Click Computer Name text box. Change computer name to Server. Click OK. A message appear that you must restart your computer to apply these changes. Click OK. Close the System Properties form. A new message appear that you must restart your computer to apply these changes. Click Restart now. That's it, we are done. You are now ready to install Active Directory domain services that will be shown in my next videos. Don't forget to subscribe.